Okay, video 2. I did my cuts, and again, on this side, remember I'd said on the last video, if you do any cuts, make sure you do it on the outside of your stud. I got a stud right here. So I cut to the right of that stud so I could create a crease. And so I could push this guy in. And by pushing this guy in, now see how I did my cut? See that? How it looks like a doorway. Okay. Of course, here at the bottom, you know, there's some concrete under there. Boy, that's ugly under there. Lord Jesus, I got to vacuum all that out. That's gross. But anyhow, you go ahead and you splice through the sheetrock, you know, far enough so you can punch your cut piece in. Anyhow, just showing you guys that. Sorry for the shadow. There's nothing I can do about that. I had to turn off the electricity to this room because, you know, potential of cutting wire. Anyhow, we got that part done. So I'm going to pull this open and get to work on the inside. See you on the next video. Bye.